Octopuses are remarkable marine creatures known for their intelligence, unique body structure, and incredible adaptability. They belong to the class Cephalopoda, which includes other soft-bodied mollusks like squid, cuttlefish, and nautilus. The word octopus comes from the Greek words octo, meaning 8, and pus, meaning foot, referring to their 8 distinctive arms. These fascinating creatures are distributed throughout oceans worldwide, then ben MCC yan ranging from shallow coastal waters to the deep sea. In this comprehensive description, we'll delve into the octopus's physical characteristics, behavior, habitat, feeding habits, reproduction, defense mechanisms, intelligence, and their role in the ecosystem. 1. Physical characteristics of octopuses. Octopuses are soft-bodied, meaning they lack an internal or external skeleton, which allows them incredible flexibility. Their bodies are comprised of a mantle, head, and 8 arms, which are lined with suckers. This soft body structure enables them to squeeze through tight spaces and hide from predators, often contorting into shapes to fit into tiny crevices, mantle, and siphon. The mantle is the main part of the octopus's body and houses most of its vital organs, such as the digestive, reproductive, and circulatory systems. The mantle cavity also contains a siphon, a muscular tube that plays a critical role in locomotion. By forcefully expelling water through the siphon, octopuses can propel themselves backward using jet propulsion, which is one of their primary modes of movement. Arms and suckers. Each octopus has 8 arms, which are covered in sensitive suckers that help them manipulate objects, sense their environment, and capture prey. Unlike tentacles, which are longer and thinner, the octopus's arms are muscular, flexible, and equipped with a dense concentration of neurons, giving them remarkable dexterity. The suckers on each arm can not only grip objects, but also taste and feel them, providing the octopus with a high degree of sensory information. Eyes. Octopuses have large, complex eyes that are among the most sophisticated in the animal kingdom. Their eyes are similar to those of vertebrates, possessing a lens, retina, and iris. Octopuses are colorblind, but their excellent depth perception, ability to detect polarized light, and sensitivity to light intensity give them a significant advantage in various lighting conditions, especially in the deep sea. Camouflage and coloration. One of the octopus's most extraordinary features is its ability to change color and texture. Specialized skin cells called chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores allow the octopus to blend into its surroundings. Chromatophores contain pigments that the octopus can expand or contract to change color, while iridophores and leucophores reflect light, enabling them to create complex patterns and even mimic the textures of their environment. This remarkable camouflage ability helps octopuses avoid predators and sneak up on prey. 2. Habitat. Octopuses are found in oceans all over the world, from tropical reefs to temperate waters and even polar regions. They thrive in various environments, including coral reefs, rocky coastlines, seagrass beds, underwater caves, and the deep sea. Most species are benthic, meaning they live on or near the ocean floor, although some, like the argonaut, also known as the paper nautilus, are more pelagic, living in the open ocean. Octopuses typically make their homes in crevices, burrows, or other hidden spots, where they can retreat from predators and stalk prey. They are often solitary animals, creating a den for themselves in rocks or coral, which they may line with shells and debris for added protection. 3. Behavior. Octopuses are solitary and highly adaptable animals, spending most of their time in hiding or hunting for food. They are predominantly nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night, although some species may be active during the day. Locomotion. In addition to jet propulsion, octopuses can move by crawling along the seafloor using their arms. This is a more energy-efficient way of moving and is commonly used when they are exploring or hunting for prey. Their arms are extremely flexible and strong, allowing them to pull themselves through tight spaces, climb, and even walk on two of their arms, using the other 6 for balance. Tool use. One of the most extraordinary behaviors observed in octopuses is their use of tools. Some species have been seen collecting shells or coconut husks to use of shelters or armor, which they carry with them and assemble when needed. This level of problem-solving and foresight is rare in the animal kingdom and highlights the intelligence of these creatures. For feeding habits, octopuses are carnivorous, primarily feeding on a variety of prey such as crabs, shrimp, lobsters, fish, clams, and snails. They are ambush predators, meaning they rely on stealth and patience to catch their food. Hunting tactics. An octopus will often use its camouflage ability to remain hidden until prey comes close, at which point it strikes quickly with its arms. The powerful suckers on the arms help to grab and immobilize the prey. Some octopuses will also use a jet of water to flush out prey hiding in the sand or crevices. Beak and radula. After capturing prey, the octopus uses its beak, a hard, sharp structure located at the center of its arms, to pierce and crush the hard shells of its prey. Beneath the beak is the radula, a specialized stem-like organ covered in rows of tiny teeth that help break down food for easier digestion. In some cases, octopuses inject their prey with a paralytic toxin produced by their salivary glands. This venom immobilizes the prey, making it easier for the octopus to consume it. Some species, like the blue-ringed octopus, produce venom that is not only potent against prey but can be fatal to humans as well. 5. Reproduction. Octopuses have a fascinating and often fatal reproductive process. They reproduce sexually, with the male using a specialized arm called a hectocotylus to transfer sperm packets, called spermatophores, into the female's mental cavity. After mating, the male usually dies within a few months, while the female's fate is tied to her offspring. Egg-laying and care. The female octopus lays thousands of eggs, which she attaches to a sheltered surface, such as the roof of her den. She carefully guards and tends to the eggs, keeping them clean and oxygenated by blowing water over them. During this period, the female octopus often stops eating, devoting all her energy to protecting her eggs. After the eggs hatch, the female typically dies from exhaustion or starvation. The baby octopuses, called larvae, are fully independent from birth. They are carried by ocean currents until they settle on the seafloor and begin their solitary lives. 6. Defense mechanisms. Octopuses possess several unique and highly effective defense mechanisms to evade predators. These include camouflage, ink expulsion, and autonomy, the ability to detach an arm when under attack. Camouflage. As mentioned earlier, octopuses are masters of disguise. They can change their color, pattern, and texture in a fraction of a second to blend seamlessly into their environment, making them nearly invisible to predators. Inking. When threatened, many octopus species release a cloud of dark ink into the water. The ink serves two purposes. It creates a visual smokescreen to confuse predators and contains a chemical that interferes with the predator's sense of smell, making it harder for them to track the octopus. Arm regeneration. If an octopus is caught by a predator, it can detach one of its arms as a form of escape. The detached arm continues to move, distracting the predator while the octopus swims away. Over time, the lost arm will regenerate completely, a process known as autonomy. Intelligence. Octopuses are widely regarded as some of the most intelligent invertebrates. Their large brains are proportionally the largest of any invertebrate, and they exhibit a wide range of sophisticated behaviors. Octopuses can solve complex problems, navigate mazes, and open jars to obtain food. Their ability to learn from experience, engage in play behavior, and exhibit short and long-term memory highlights their cognitive abilities. Studies have shown that octopuses are capable of observational learning, meaning they can watch and imitate the actions of other octopuses. This ability to learn through observation is rare among non-mammalian species and further underscores the octopus's remarkable intelligence. Role in the ecosystem. Octopuses play a vital role in marine ecosystems as both predators and prey. As predators, they help control the populations of various crustaceans and fish species.